This video demonstration shows you how to install the universal battery holder with the Deluxe audio strap and the clip that comes for the head strap specific. In this case, the head strap we're talking about is the Deluxe audio strap. So to begin, you'll notice that the clip for the DAS, the top part is longer than the bottom. So the idea is to start from the top, hook it on, and tuck in the bottom and adjust it, and it's not going to go in there. It's not going to go anywhere once that's in. So let's begin. You want to line it up to make sure it's centered in the back. Eyeballing it is good enough. So we want to push down on the top. It takes quite some force, but the idea is this top part gap needs to go down all the way to touch the ridge of the headband, and you can see that now is touching. And now the only thing that remains is to tuck in the DAS bottom band onto or inside the clip ridges. I'm gonna turn upside down, see whether I could have more leverage. And I'm gonna just push it in, and you can see now it's inside the ridge, and then you want to push it back up to kind of align it and center it. And that is how you install the clip. And what remains is just sliding over the battery holder onto the clip here. And now you just want to install your battery and strap it how you see fit. And that concludes on how to install the universal battery holder onto the Deluxe audio strap. Thank you. This video demonstration will show you how to remove the universal battery holder from the Deluxe audio strap. To begin, you want to slide the battery holder itself away from the clip, and this is the clip for the DAS. You know, set that aside. Now for the clip itself, and this is going to be similar to the Elite clip which we showed you, just has a different dimension, but it's the same exact idea. The top part here, the top part will be thicker than the bottom part of the clip. So you can see the bottom clip here is smaller, so we need to slide that out and under, or under and out. And to do that, you want to push down on the top of the clip and use your thumb and kind of just push out. And there you go. You can see it's out from the groove and it comes out. But again, these clips are meant to be installed and left in place. They're tough to remove once you put it in, so it's not something you want to take or remove and place back in often. And that concludes how to remove the universal battery holder from the DAS. Thank you.